Are you tired of waiting for a partner, for learning English, for having a conversation? If yes, then watch this video till it ends. And are you that kind of person who is thinking that I do not have any partner, so I cannot learn English? Or are you making excuses? So, if yes, so what if I told you that your best teacher for yourself is only you? What would happen if I told you like this? So, this is totally right. Your best teacher for yourself is you. Now, how? The first thing is you can do mirror practice on your daily basis. I have done it and I have improved a lot. I have been working on my communication skills for 3.5 years. So it's a long time. I have been learning from a long time. So, let me tell you how can I say that mirror practice can help you. You can be a very good teacher for yourself. How could I say this? You guys might be thinking like this. So, it's totally right. If I have followed this technique in my life, that's why I am telling you. I have experienced it and I have improved a lot. Now, how? The first thing, whenever you are trying to get ready or you are going out and you're getting ready, firstly you're getting ready or you will get ready, then you will go out. So at that time, what do you have to do? Just pick your mirror or just stand in front of the mirror and just try to talk to the mirror. For example, today I will wear black clothes or I will wear black t-shirt or brown kurta or I will wear pink suit, pink plazo suit. So just like this, whatever you are doing, whatever you are going to wear, try to talk about that in English to the mirror. Okay, and also check your facial expressions. For example, now you're happy, you are getting ready, so you are happy. So check your facial expressions. Are your facial face muscles are moving in a good way? Because whenever native speakers speak in English, so they move their muscles a lot. They move their muscles a lot, like their muscles of mouth, like they move their tongue a lot, as well as they open their mouth a lot whenever they speak in English. So it's their way of talking. Okay, it's their way of talking whenever they speak in English. So they their muscles of their mouth moves a lot. So try to look at that expressions. Try to look at your facial expressions when you are trying to speak in English. For example, now I'm talking, I'm giving face expressions while speaking in English. Okay, right now I'm trying to motivate to all of you that you can learn English by talking to mirror or by standing in front of the mirror by speaking in English. Okay, so you can ask question to yourself by standing in front of the mirror or by looking in the mirror. Okay, for example, hey, who are you? This is Kaur. Okay, I will have to answer myself. This is Kaur, and what do you do? I'm studying right now. I'm pursuing BCA and it's my first year and first semester. So, do you think it's good for you? Are you studying you are studying BCA? So, is it good for you? Yes, it is. That's why I have chosen it. Okay. So, this is how you can ask questions to yourself and you can also answer and try to check your facial expressions and always change your facial expressions. For example, just pretend that you are not, now you are going to give interview, so just make your facial expressions like that. For example, now you are sitting in the interview, just sit straight and ask question to yourself. What's your name? This is Gaur. What do you do? I have just completed my graduation and right now I'm searching for a job. Okay, this is you have to speak like this. Try to do mirror practice as much as you can, because mirror is not gonna judge you. So there is not any kind of fear of judgment. This is a very positive point for all of you. So try to use mirror. Okay, I have told you about many ways in many of my videos, and I have made I made a lot of videos on a single topics. For example, on shadowing, on Pinterest, how can you use Pinterest, how can you use Chat GPT. I have also given a live demos, how can you use those. For example, how can you use Pinterest. I have also attached one picture, and I have also described that in by making sentences, by giving the names to objects. Then I have also given the tutorial of Chat GPT, how can you use Chat GPT for having conversations, for learning grammar. Okay, so you have a lot of methods, a lot of sources for learning English. Now what you have to do, you just have to give your efforts to yourself, or put your efforts. Try to put your efforts as much as you can if you are dedicated learner. Okay, and now I have already told you, you can talk to mirror. Okay, you can just pick your mirror and try to talk to this. Don't you have any partner? It's okay. If you're making mistakes, it's okay, but try to do practice. Okay, try to do practice. If you will not practice, you are not gonna if you are here, you are not gonna hear. If you will do mirror practice, then you will be able to speak fluent English one day. What you have to do, you just have to come out from your comfort zone. Okay, just try to come out from your comfort zone, which will help you. Okay, I know that many of you guys just like to be in your comfort zone, but it's not good for all of you. If you really want to learn, try to practice. Speaking is going to help you, not writing, not reading. Yeah, they will also help you, but firstly, speaking is the main thing. It's also basic and main. Okay, so you have to do it. Somehow you have to spend your time on it. Just give your 3 to 4 minutes to the mirror. Okay, to the mirror, just give your 3 to 4 minutes every day, and you will let to know, after some 7 or 8 days, you will get to know, yes, you are having improvement right now. Okay, but you have to do practice. Practice makes a man perfect. So try to give your time, try to invest your time on a good thing. Don't scroll reels a lot. Okay, just try to invest your time on good thing, because learning is going to help you in your future, not scrolling reels. Okay, that's all for today. If you have learned something from this video, then please like it, subscribe my channel, and share this video with your friends who are eager to learn English. Thank you.